Today, I'll show you the best free VPN for Windows 11, and then I'll walk you through exactly how to download it, install it, and set it up. Everything will be explained in detail so you can follow along easily. This is a completely free VPN for Windows 11. It gives you unlimited data, no ads, strong privacy, and it works great on any Windows computer. First, open your web browser. It can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or anything you use. At the top, click inside the search bar and type Proton VPN Download Windows. You should see the official website at the top. It will say protonvpn.com. Click on that. When the website opens, give it a second to load the page completely. Now look for the download section. When you click it, a small menu opens. You'll see two options: Windows 11 10 x64, Windows 11 10 ARM64. Most people should choose x64 because almost all Windows laptops and desktops use x64 processors. ARM64 is only for special devices like the Surface Pro X, so choose x64 unless you know you're on ARM. Click on it. Right after you click download, you'll see the file start downloading at the bottom of your browser. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a little while, sometimes a few seconds, sometimes longer. Just wait until the download finishes completely. You'll know it's done when you see the installer file fully downloaded, usually with the name Proton VPN Windows Installer.exe. Now we'll install it. Go to your Downloads folder or simply click the file directly from your browser's Downloads bar. When you open it, Windows will show a message asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. Give it a moment. The installation window may take a few seconds to appear. Once it appears, you'll see the Proton VPN setup screen. It will also show optional Proton apps like Proton Mail, Proton Drive, Proton Pass. These are optional. If you don't need them, uncheck all of them. Keep Create Desktop Shortcut checked if you want a shortcut on your desktop. Now click Install. The installer will begin copying files to your computer. This might take a few seconds or sometimes a bit longer depending on your system. You'll see a loading bar moving slowly until the installation is complete. When the installation finishes, click Launch or Finish, depending on what the installer shows. The Proton VPN app will now open. It might take a moment on first launch, so wait until the login screen fully loads. If you don't already have a Proton account, you'll need to create one. Click Create Free Account. A web page will open and it may take a few seconds to load. You'll see the Sign Up for Free option. Scroll if needed and click Sign Up for Free. Click on Continue with Free VPN. Enter your email address and choose a password. Proton will send you a verification email. Open your email inbox, find the message from Proton, and click the verification link. This confirms your account. Once it's verified, go back to the Proton VPN app and log in with your email and password. After logging in, the main dashboard will appear. It may take a moment for all the servers to load. You will see the free servers labeled clearly. These are usually located in the United States, the Netherlands, Japan. Pick any free server you prefer. Click on it once, and then click Connect. Give it a few seconds. You'll see a loading circle and a message saying Connecting. Wait until you see Connected. When that appears, your VPN is active and your IP address is now protected. Next, let's make the VPN more secure. Open Settings, which is the small gear icon. You'll see different sections, including Connection and General. Go to the Connection tab. Here, you'll see Kill Switch. Open it, turn it on, and select Advanced. This makes sure your internet stops automatically if the VPN disconnects, so your real IP is never exposed. Click Apply. Now switch to the General tab. Open Auto Startup. Turn on Auto Connect on launch. This makes the VPN start automatically every time you turn on your computer. Go back to the Connection tab again. Here you'll see VPN Protocol. Open it and change it to WireGuard. WireGuard is usually the fastest and most stable option. Using Proton VPN. Now your VPN is ready. Whenever you want to stay private or secure, open the app and click Connect. If you enabled Auto Connect, the app may connect automatically when your PC starts. If your speed feels slow, try switching to the closest free server. And you can disconnect anytime by clicking Disconnect inside the app. And that's it. You now have a safe, free, and unlimited VPN running on Windows 11.